Welcome back to Daytime Live. So yes, we're leaving Jamaica and we're going to Toronto, Canada, where it's a little bit cold. Toronto. And we have authors, and they're also husband and wife. It's so cute. And they produced a new book, a children's book called Jerk Chicken Magic. I love it. Noel and Roxanne Bennett, how are you doing, fam?
Oh, we're doing great. Thank you for having us.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah. First and foremost, the title of the book, Jerk Chicken Magic. How did that come about? What was it? What inspired it? What?
Yeah, so Jerk Chicken Magic is pretty much a heartwarming story, about a multi-generational family, and essentially it's a love letter to immigrants everywhere. So we really want to make sure that there was a story that was bringing forward the history of jerk chicken, the origins, how you make it, and essentially it's a story that speaks through the eyes of a 6-year-old girl, and her name is Lizzie, and she talks about her family and her mom, and she's like, oh, her mom and that she wants. But in terms of this the story name is really what the story name is really behind that, and really to amplify like Jamaica's most popular cultural export in terms of food. Right. So that's what we're really focused on. Yeah.
And you are making some waves with this book, because Jerk Chicken Magic is #1 bestseller on Amazon Canada in multicultural stories for children, and it's also the number one new release on Amazon US in children's stories on immigration. Congratulations. And when you realize this, I mean, what kind of conversations and emotions did you go through?
Yeah, no, go ahead.
Yeah, no, well, I mean, to be honest, it's something that you hope for and you don't necessarily expect it, but then when it happens, you're very reflective, very humbled, very grateful that the community felt like this was something that they could resonate with, and that was the purpose of it too. We wanted to create something that represented us as a people, our culture, our heritage, our food. And I mean, arguably, and this is going to be a hot take, you could say that next to reggae music, the most popular export from Jamaica is jerk chicken. Like if you really meant it out,
yeah, it does make sense. And I think that you guys are being a little bit unfair, because I think the main contributor to the book, Baby Miles, like really wants to say something, and you're not giving him a chance. But I mean, how do you want families and children to perceive this book? What do you want them to take away from this book?
Yeah. Well, I think in terms of the immigrant experience, and there's a lot of families overseas who there's resilience and adaptability. Those are the themes that surround the book, and we want them to understand the importance of like persevering and also preserving generational recipes and cultural traditions. And all of that, wrapped up in the book in terms of taking that away and ensuring that in the conversation started in the family about, our origins, how we got here. And we also wanted people to understand that it's not only restricted to immigrant families. This is really an educational opportunity for anybody, who is not an immigrant, to understand the perspective of, Jamaicans, understand perspective and origins of jerk chicken, and what the immigrant experience is like for most. Yeah.
So Noel, I'm here and I'm saying, boy, I don't know, him look familiar, the name sound familiar, but maybe it's just in my head. And then somebody reminds me that that's the Noel from Backyard magazine. Now I have a great understanding of why the illustration looks so good. So talk me through the illustration, Noel. I heard you did it. It's beautiful.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much. No, yeah, I mean, most people might know me as being the founder and creative director for Backyard magazine. We've been around for, alongside with my partner, Milka Lewis. We've been around for, maybe over 15 years. And then, yeah, I mean, just, I guess collectively, the experience from doing that publication helped me to develop this publication. But, the design of it, I did the entire design. Roxanne and I, we co-wrote the book. And, and we also used, AI tools to help us out. Because, you have to live in the future as well. So there's a little bit of too, but on a very minimal level. So that kind of helped us to speed the process up, but it was a lot of work, trust me.
I know all our friends, right? And Amilcar reference. Ask Noel, ask him.
I'm not gonna.
Noel, tell her. Just tell her, please.
Noel, it's okay. I understand. Yeah. So I don't disbelieve you, Dufton.
Like I got friends in places.
So they're in
Toronto.
places you are not.
You know what, let's move on. Your company, Coconut Milk. Tell us a little bit about that.
I love the name.
Yeah, so Coconut Milk is this island design studio based in Toronto, and basically, all right, this is Truman's, yes. That's the big boss for
He's the CEO.
He's the CEO.
Yeah.
And basically, the objective of the company and the studio is to take, I guess typical nostalgic elements, or things that we would consider nostalgic, put them on a pedestal. Create bespoke pieces of art to really celebrate the heritage and the culture of our culture, Jamaican culture, right? We're looking, Jerk Chicken Magic is the first publication from this, and we are looking hopefully to take the Hair Love path. I don't know if you know that book, Hair Love, which they, turned they started as an anime short, and eventually won the Academy Award for the book. So we are on that path. So we could use everybody's support in making that a reality. Go support the book. It's available on Amazon. And and then we have a lot more things in store. Home decor, film.
How much is the book on Amazon? Quickly.
So if you're in Canada like we are, it's $17.99. But if you're in the US,
it's $13.99.
Yeah, $13.99.
So Jamaica is $13.99. But are you sending any hard copies to Jamaica? I can clear the barrels.
Oh,
thank you very much.
Yes, it's on TV.
Yeah, you're back out of this.
I am happy that you said that, because she didn't realize what she said.
No.
She thought she was just receiving. No, you're doing the entire paying.
No, it's fine. It's fine. Remember, I said Duffy money tall, and you're a friend, and friend must support friend.
Yeah.
So
how quickly you're backing out of this, Sunny? It's okay.
How can we find you guys on social media?
But in terms of it being available in Jamaica, we're open to opportunities. Anybody would want to reach out to us. It's something that we're working on, and that's the next stage after debuting the book earlier this month. So if anybody would want to reach out to us at coconutmilk.co and connect with us to see what's the best way to get it there and into stores and schools there.
And social media options, where we can find you on social media.
Yeah, social media, coconutmilk.co. As well, it's the same handle at coconutmilk.co.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Really proud of you guys. Yeah. Take care and keep warm.
All right, guys.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank you all so much. Sorry for the time.
That's all right.
Miles was cute.
Daytime Live will be right back. I'll be back. I'm not sure if Saniq will be here, but we'll be coming back with a music video from Kez.
I'll be here.